Yeah, I'm on my middle.
Expanded notation, this is actually something pretty simple. And it's really easy for you to remember what it is because of the word expand. What does that expand mean? To get bigger. And what you are doing when you write something in expanded notation is actually, let's say you've got this number, here's our directions, write 5,600 in expanded notation. What you are doing there is really writing it out so that you really tell the place value of each digit. So you take the number apart digit by digit. This 5, because it is right here, it doesn't just stand for 5, but it stands for 5 1,000s. So you write it as 5 times 1,000 and you put it in parentheses. Because that's 5,000, 5 times 1,000. To that, you're adding what this 6 stands for, which is not 6, but 6 times 100. You don't have to worry about zeros, so this is really it in expanded form, 5,600. You definitely need the parentheses. Okay, and you need to put the addition sign right there. Those all need to be part of the whole thing. You could get it. You could do a longer number. Maybe you do 50,320. So you're going to have a 5 in the 10,000s place. To that, you're adding a 3 in what place? The hundreds place. And to that, you're adding a 2 in the tens place. This is expanded form or notation. You don't have to do anything with the zeros. Don't put 0 times 1,000 or 0 times 1 or whatever it is. And you'll be okay. Let me give you one quickly here. How about this one? 4,352. Do that one for me and see if you get it. And then we have to talk a little bit more about stuff. 4,352. Write that one in expanded notation. So you ended up with, Abram, you got
4 times 1,000.
4 times 1,000 in parentheses plus
3 times 1,000 or 100.
3 times 100 because the 3's in the hundreds place plus
5 times 10.
5 times 10 because it's in the tens place plus
2 times 1.
2 times 1. Very good. 4,352. Now, lest you think, children, Jack, that that's the whole thing, you must also be able to go from expanded form to what we call standard form, which is our normal way we write numbers. Let's say you've got this, 5 times 10,000 plus 6 times 100 plus 3 times 1. Now I'm going to give you a helpful hint here. because I've taught 5th grade for 20-some plus years, and I know where they go wrong and make mistakes. Here's what you need to do for this. Question?
Do I know it's because it says you're forgetting the 1,000, so you just put 0 to 1,000.
Close, but that's not what I'm going to say. Okay, what you need to do with this is this. Start with this. We know that the 5 has to be in what place? 10,000th place. That means put the 5 down, and because the 5 has to be in the 10,000th place, put blanks down so you know that you put enough digits down to fill in all the other blanks so that the 5 is in the 10,000th place. And then, like Abram said, there is nothing in the thousands, so you put a 0 there. There is something in the hundreds, it's a 6. There's nothing in the tens, so you put a 0, and then there's a 3 in the ones. Because I'll tell you, I can guarantee you some of you will just do this. 5, 6, 3. And that's not the same thing. Or you'll put 50, whatever it is. Okay? You need to put the blanks in. Otherwise, you will definitely make some mistakes for that. Alright, let me give you one more. How about 6 times 100,000 plus 4 times 10,000 plus 9 times 10. Write that one in standard form. That's an expanded form, write that in standard form. Shouldn't take you too terribly long. Now, what I would like for you to do for me is to stand up if you did not do that first. You did not put blanks down. Now, Faith, why, after I just got done saying, not more than 3 minutes ago, put down those blanks, would you not? Nor do I. Maybe you can see some of my frustration in the boom, boom, boom thing. Anybody see where that comes from? Mason down there. So 6 is in the 100,000th place. Let's see if Faith actually gets the problem right. What goes in the 10,000th place? 4. Is there any thousands? Is there any hundreds? Is there a 10? Is there any ones? Faith, do you have 640,090 as your answer? So do you have that as your answer? Okay. Case in point, Faith, it will be my poster child for following directions, because if you don't do it, you're going to end up forgetting zeros. Did I not say that?
No, you did.
Did I say I've been teaching for like 20 plus years and I know what happens with 5th graders?
Yeah, you said that.
Do you remember that? Was that a
You
long time?
wrote it like 5 times 10, maybe more.
Yeah, you wrote it on the board.
I did write it on the board. Let's look and see.
Yeah.
Oh, put blanks.
Oh, wow.